Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to test your SD card, your USB flash drive, or your trans flash memory card, or your MicroSD memory cards to see if it is legit. So for example, this one shows 512 gigabyte, and when I actually did the test on this, it was only showing 29 point something, which is equivalent to 32 gigabyte only. And then the seller, they rip you off by printing this 512 gigabyte, so they could sell this at the higher retail price. So I paid this one for $22.80, which is if you only have a 32 gigabytes, it's only run about, I don't know, less than $10 or something like that. Actually, I filed a case with the eBay already. So I have tomorrow for eBay to handle over the case, because I request for the return shipping label or return request, and somehow the seller did not reply or anything like that. So before I filed the case, I actually communicate with the seller, and the seller did not respond back to me. So actually I purchased two of this. One is still sealed. I didn't open it yet. I should open it right now. So yeah, it shows 512 gigabyte. When I actually run the test on this, it only shows 32 gigabyte. So, by the way, all this are legit that I purchased from the retail store. Okay, it's 8 gigabyte, and then 16 gigabyte. So be sure to back up your memory card if you're gonna do the test, or else it's gonna erase all the stuff that's on your SD drive. That's on your SD memory card, okay? Or either if you have a flash drive, it's gonna erase everything. So, and this is another cheap flash drive. And these two are the original memory card, okay, that I purchased from the local store. I have some of the other video that's compared from the real versus fake memory card, so you guys could check them out. Some of them are like a Samsung memory card. So yeah, let's go and then move on to the next station. I'm going to show you a software that I download to do the actual test. So unfortunately with this one, I cannot finish the test since it shows 512 gigabyte. And then most of other files after 29 something, it's all corrupted. So I ran it for a couple days. So unfortunately I had to shut it down, because I just don't want to run the test anymore. It's useless. So if you have a smaller storage space, it's gonna run faster. So we're gonna pick the either 8 gigabyte or smaller, so to do the test, because I don't want to erase some of this file that's in here. So those are the important files that's in here. I'm not going to erase everything. So maybe I could do this one, 64 gigabyte. It might take a while because and this is brand new, so I could run a test on this. So anyway, let's go ahead and move on to the computer station, and I could show you guys what to download and then run the test on that. All right, so go to your Google and then search for H2 test W, and then you want to go ahead and click on this download H2 test W 1.4. Gonna set and close, and then all we need to do is download now. Since I already downloaded mine already, so I'm not gonna do it again. If you want, you can go ahead and read the description about it. So it says to sum it up, the program performs well and can certainly be helpful, especially when you bought a new storage unit and want to test it. You can give it a try and see what it really tells you about your multimedia storage device. Okay, so you can click on download for Windows. So let's go ahead and open the software and then show you guys. And be sure to insert a memory card or flash drive. So I just insert my memory card because this is only 2 GB, and then it shows all these folders. So be sure to back it up. So I'm going to open the H2 test W right here, and you are showing this language. Be sure to click on English, and then right here you want to go ahead and select target, and be sure to look for the D drive. So whatever drive that you have a USB flash drive on, or your MicroSD, or your trans flash memory card, or your any other memory cards. I'm going to click on D and then press OK, and it's going to write and verify. So just click on write and verify. Let's press OK. So it's going to write all the information onto your memory card and test it out, and you'll give it the result later. So we'll be coming back and then check it out. Alright, so it shows finished without any error, so which is good. Normally it will show like how many files passed and then how many data is corrupted. Anyway, these two are the files that has been filled with the H2 test W. It has 1.h2w, which has more than 1 GB of files, and then the second one's about 881 megabytes files. So that will fill up the 2 GB of storage, and then this 3 folder takes some of the storage as well. I will include a picture of that 512 GB flash drive with the errors and everything. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.